What's up, everybody? I've got my Armada here with a brand new Gibson performance exhaust. You can see a nice chrome tip under there. Just got it put on the other day. Old one, as you'll see in some pictures, was all rotted out, and that tailpipe actually snapped off just behind the muffler. You can see under here, it's a cat back. Really nice kit with good hardware, cool muffler, a really nice sound. I love it to death. A little bit of performance gain, low end torque, and not a whole lot of drone, which is really nice. The only issues that you're gonna have, well, that I had, was getting the flange bolts at the cat right up there on both sides. It was ridiculous. 180,000 miles on this thing, so it was really rusted out. All the bolts, I had to heat them up or cut them, and there was actually a couple that I couldn't get. I had to take it to a shop. I just don't have the right tools, and they got them out, sealed everything up for me. So it's nice, but overall, wasn't too hard getting the rest of the exhaust on. It's a really nice result. Side note, you may have to remove the spare tire. Technically, you don't have to. You might be able to finagle the tailpipe in without moving it, but it will make it a lot easier. But yeah, so let me know if you have any questions about this exhaust. I've really appreciated it so far. Thanks for watching.